is up everyone? Welcome back to Nasty CV vlog. Today I'm gonna do a little POV view for you guys. I'm gonna put this GoPro setup on my head today. Give you a little feel for how the manual feels. Oh my god. Freaking hat. It's retarded. Chee! Nike boy. Alright, I got the setup on right now. I have the setup on. I repeat, I have the setup on. Alright, let me get my coat real quick and then we'll head out. Alright, we're inside the car. I'm gonna change it up here to the POV. I'm gonna turn on the car so you guys can hear what I hear from up here, basically. Fucking cracks the camera. Press the clutch in, turn your key, wait for a little bit to the gauges, turn it on, and off we go. Safety first, seatbelt on. Hopefully you guys can see good. Put it off, put it first, and off we go. These cars, they're very smooth on the clutch, so you gotta let go of them slowly but surely. And then off you go, you give it some gas. The gears are super short, so you have to shift. Press the clutch in, shift. I'm still getting adapted with the shifting. Right now I have it in intelligent mode. It has a lot of turbo lag. But that's good though, that's the fun of it. It's the fun about the single turbos. What I most of the time I do, since I don't want to switch gears that much, I just put it in neutral and then just slow down with my gas. I mean with the brake. Like that, I don't have to use the gears. I mean, you can use the gears if you want to slow down your car, that you don't waste your brakes. Also, you can put it in sharp mode. All you have to do is turn that knob to the right, and you could immediately feel the change in the pedal. It's quick. Downshifter, you flip the throttle just a little bit so you won't feel the rock back and forth. There's the traffic hour, guys. I do have a resonator delete, so the turbo, you can hear it a lot more. I don't know if you guys can hear. Whew. Especially in winter, that cold air it's more dense, so the turbo, you hear more of that, man. It sounds so good. Yeah, let's hear it again. Whew. And it's so addicting too, like to hear the turbo. See, look, again, ready? Once you start getting the hang of the car, you're gonna develop new skills of driving. You're gonna start blipping the throttle, just a rev match. Even like upshifting, sometimes you have to give it some gas so you can rev up to so you can match up the RPMs and your car won't rock back and forth. Also on hills, this car has hill assist. I mean, it's good, it's not a bad thing. But if you're in a hill, just keep your clutch in and you should be good. Let me slow down for you guys here. I should have slowed down all the way over there, just to get a cliche corner. Get this corner right here, tuck in the middle. This car handles so good, so good. I love it. Things that I would like to have in this car, I'll say the keyless entry and the push button start. Oh, and the remote start, bro. Every day in the morning, I literally have to go into the garage, freaking turn on the key. I mean, turn the car on, and then run back inside. Or like even sometimes have it parked outside. I have to run outside. It's freaking cold as hell. But yeah, that remote start, man, that'll be the best. You saw that Beamer? That's a nice BMW. Yeah, I took out the resonator and it's very quiet in here. It's not loud, like it doesn't bother. But I think I want to go louder. I want to do a muffler delete. It's gonna be muffler and resonators. Oh my god, this shit's gonna sound so good. And the pops, oof, it's gonna sound so good. Jesus, oh, it's so sensitive. Oh, you heard those pops? Ooh. See, it just does it on like random, man. That's what I fucking hate. I need that access port. Once I get that tune, oh my god, this car's gonna sound so good. It's gonna open up more too. Oh, we got a nice straight here. Alright, I'm gonna hit it for you guys. Everybody's trying to merge, man. Let's see if this guy lets me. You gonna let me in? Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. You gotta always put these on to let them know that you appreciate them, you know? Let me see if this guy lets me in. Cut this guy off and just give it a little bit and we're in like nothing. I mean, I gave it a little rip for you guys. You guys can see how fast it goes. Gets up there, you know. B4 boxer engine, I think it's worth it. I ain't gonna lie. It's a lot of traffic. Check fast. And on to the next one. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm gonna let you guys off. I mean, there's traffic. I don't think you guys are gonna enjoy me going through traffic, so I think I'll leave you guys here. And but yeah guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, deuces. Listen to that turbo, guys. Alright, enough chatting. Alright, enough talking, guys. Peace out.